Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So this came up from one of my clients the other day. And this particular client, they run a lot of different sales in their store, and so they actually have taken on the responsibility for running merchant center promotions. And what they have is they're doing a buy one, get one free offer right now, and they weren't sure how to set that up as a merchant center promo. And I can see where that's a bit confusing. So I just wanted to show you how to do that today if you're having the same struggle. So you're just going to go into Merchant Center and create a new promo. I'm already in that screen. You have to go through the regular hoops. So choose the country, choose the language, choose which channels it will be on, and then you get to the kind of the crux of the problem, and that is you have amount off, percent off, free gift, and free shipping, and there's no really buy one, get one free jumping out at you. And you might think that either one of these would be appropriate because you could like subtract the full value of an item. Um, but that would essentially give somebody the product for free, which is not what you want. And likewise with percent off. So it's actually the free gift option is what you want. Once you select that, you're going to choose this first option again. And all you're going to do here is you're going to enter the description of the free product. So typically the title. And so then you're going to put in the quantity of one. Um, and this can be anything in here, but obviously you want this to match the exact title of your product. And then you're going to continue, and then you need to select the appropriate product. So that you would just select the item ID, um, and you know continue through here, select the date range and all the usual stuff. You do need to have obviously the promotion title, which would be buy one get one free. And then the promotion ID can be whatever you'd like, just to keep everything organized. And when you're done, create your promotion. You need to check back in about 24 hours for Google to review and approve the promo, and you are good to go. So hopefully that helps with any confusion over buy one, get one free promos. You can do them, and that's how. That is it for me today. I will see you next time.